How to fix Fortnite keeps crashing. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the Fortnite application, what you want to do is you want to check for your internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. If your internet connection is working and you're still having problem with the application, what you can also do is you can simply tap and hold on to the app and tap on app info. After that, you want to simply scroll down and tap on storage and clear your cache over here. Once you have done so, you want to open the app again, and if it is still crashing, what you can do is you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. And if that doesn't solve problem as well, sometimes it might be that the server is lagging as well. So what you can do is you can wait for a few hours for server to come back up, and after that you'll be able to open the app as well. However, it might also be that your device is at fault and not the app itself. So you want to simply restart the device once and try to open the app again, and that might even solve your problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.